Hey everyone, how's it going? Brett here. I'm back, and today we're making the long-awaited hummus video. All right? And this is going to be an interesting video because what I'm going to do basically is I'm going to go from how it is now where you can see me, and I'm going to go point of view so you all can see how I make it point of view. So check this out. I'm using the Insta360 GO. This is the headset for it, or the I should say the head mount. Check this out. We're going POV. You guys see that? Check that out. All right, we're doing a POV shot now. So basically, we're gonna be making some hummus my way. And so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the jalapenos. Go ahead and put those to the side. I like my stuff spicy. Let me know if you guys like stuff spicy too, because at least for me, I like it real spicy, like super spicy. So yeah, we got 4 raw organic jalapenos. You could toast them or saute them or whatever you want to do. Some people I know like to do that because it'll give it more taste, or maybe not more, just different. Some people like that taste better. So all right, we got those. You know what, first things first, should have put this in here. Let me get that put in there. Okay, we got that in there. Keep it going, make sure that's still going. All right, so we got the jalapenos in there. I got lots of cilantro. I like using cilantro too, so we'll go ahead and dump all that in there. This is gonna be some flavorful hummus. This is gonna be a cilantro jalapeno hummus, which is one of my personal favorites. I'm using the canned chickpeas today. You don't have to. You could use, you know, your own homemade chickpeas if you want. Personally, I like to use the canned ones just because it's a lot quicker for me. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm dumping out the juice right there. All right, dumping that. That one's done. I typically what I'll do is 2 cans. Basically making hummus for the week right now. Okay, got that one dumped in there. Put those to the side. Next, we're gonna go ahead and do our juice. And you can look up a bunch of videos online. Typically what I do is I do 2 cans of chickpeas. I'll do, like, you know, maybe a bunch of cilantro, a few jalapenos, at least 1 lemon, sometimes more. It kind of depends how thick you want your hummus to be. If you want it to be super thick, you only use 1. Whereas if you want it to be more liquidy or on the thinner consistency side, you could use more than 1. I'm gonna go ahead and get all these little seeds, because as far as I know, this is actually where the spice is. The spice is in these guys right here. Put those in there. I like spicy stuff. All right, we're gonna use a couple cloves of garlic. Got that organic garlic. Okay. So there we go. This is how I like to do it. Just kind of rough these things up a little bit. And this might be too much for you guys. It depends, you know. With this recipe, you're gonna kind of have to decide how much you like certain things and how much you don't. So for me, you know, I like garlic. I like spicy, so I like jalapenos. I like cilantro, so I used a lot of cilantro. All right, and we're just gonna we're not even gonna chop these up. We're just gonna throw these right in there. You could chop them up if you want. I don't. I typically just put them in there as it is. So you know what? Well, I think we might just stick with 2. I do like garlic a lot, but I don't want it to overpower it, especially because those are thick ones. Like those were, I mean, you see this is as big as my thumb almost. All right, so we got those, got the lime juice. You're gonna want to get some tahini and get a big spoonful of it. Big fat spoonful. Sometimes I'll even use this one. This is a fat spoonful here. See, I might even get a little bit more. And just play around with it, you know, play around. This recipe isn't like solid, set in stone. Just kind of have fun with it. Like I am with this video, right? Let's have fun with it. Okay, so we'll put those in here. Let's see, we got some cumin. I usually just dump, you know. Some people say use a 1/4 teaspoon or a teaspoon or whatever. I just start dumping things on. Let's see. I like a lot of black pepper, so put some of that on there. That's probably good for now. All right, that's probably good for now. Trying to make this video quick for you guys. If you just want to start making your own hummus, I mean, it took me years to start making my own hummus. And now that I do, I'm like, hey, why didn't I do this sooner? Now you can use whatever you want. Sometimes I use olive oil, sometimes I use avocado oil. Today I'm using avocado oil. You know, last week I actually used toasted sesame oil, which was pretty good, but I'm just gonna keep it with the avocado oil this week. Okay, we got that going in there. Sometimes what I'll even do is I'll just let that sit for a second, try and get every last drop out of that. Just kind of putting all this stuff to the side that I don't need. Put this back in the drawer. And the reason why I put that liquid to the side there is because I may use some of it, depending on how thick, I was saying, depending on how thick we want it. So, all right, I think we're just about ready to get this thing going, get this party started. All right, we're gonna put the lemon juice, just 1 lemon right now. Man, that looks good. Can you guys see that? That looks good, let me tell you. All right, put the lid on, and I usually just turn it on. Man, look at that. I'm gonna give you guys a little POV. That's one of the cool things about this camera, is you can like really get it in a good spot. All right, let's give that a try. Man, check that out. That looks good. Check out the consistency too. See, that's why I haven't added any of the juice or another lemon, because oh man, that is, wow, that is good. Yeah, check that out. That is good. All right, I'm gonna put you guys back in the base. You guys can see me, I'm back. Took the headset off. I'll go ahead and finish up here by pouring it. Let me move some of this out of the way. Oh man, that tastes good. That fresh garlic, fresh jalapeno. Take take another quick chip dip with you guys. Check this out, man. Oh man, delicious. If you guys aren't making your own hummus yet, you gotta get on it. Like seriously, you gotta get on it. So like I said, for this last part, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it into this container. And then there you go. You've got, I don't even know how much this is, but definitely enough for the week, that's for sure. And like, what I like to do, if you've seen my other videos, I like to batch juice and batch hummus, meal prep, stuff like that. So that way I just have stuff ready for the week, you know? That way I don't even really have to think about every single day. What am I eating tonight? What am I doing tonight? Let me get a little bit closer for you guys. Look at this. Now, it's not the thickest in the world. You could make it thicker. Like last week, I made it real thick. I actually don't even think I used a lemon last week because I didn't have one. So if you want it super thick, like say you want to make it like a replacement for like a meal or like a thick, like a vegan egg salad sandwich type consistency or like a vegan tuna type consistency, you can do that. Just use less water, less oil, less water. Yeah, let me know down below if you guys like this video, if you guys have any tips, any tricks, if you guys like the POV style stuff. Alright, that's just about all of it there. I'll let you guys see kind of the finishing touches on it. Spread it out a little bit more. You know, I might even, I was going to put you guys back in POV, but you know what? We'll just go ahead and hold it. Okay. You know what? No, we're going back to POV. We're going back POV. We're putting the headset back on. I want you guys to see this. Alright. Here we go. We're back in POV mode. What we're going to do, basically, finish it up with just a little bit of oil. Just a little bit. And some pepper. Because if you're like me, you love pepper. And we'll do a little bit of salt too. Do some pepper, do some salt. And that'll be that. Man, look at that. Beautiful. Ready for the week. Where's that lid at? Oh, I had the chip on it. Okay. And just like that, we got hummus for the week. Organic, mostly homemade with the exception of the canned chickpeas, but organic, homemade hummus. Yo, thanks everyone for watching. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Just wanted to come outside. Thanks again for watching, and yeah, start making your own hummus. It took me many, many years of buying hummus before I finally got a food processor. I don't know why I'm not speaking right. A food processor. I was making it in the blender for a little while and it just wasn't working. The blender was overheating, turning off. So finally I got a food processor and doing it the right way. All right, you guys, peace, love, unity, respect, health, wealth, and abundance to all of you. All praise to the Most High. I'll see you in the next one. Later.